Have you ever noticed grocery prices seem stable, but something still feels off? That bag of chips, your favorite cereal, the chocolate bar, they all look affordable, but are you really getting the same value? Today, we're exposing how companies in 2026 are making you pay the same for less. Smaller sizes, lower quality, and sneaky ingredient swaps. This isn't just shrinkflation, it's a total transformation of what's in your food. We'll break down real products, show you the numbers, and reveal how you're being tricked at the checkout. Ready to see the truth behind the price tags? Let's dive in. Let's start with the oldest trick in the book, shrinking the package, not the price. It's a subtle move, but it's everywhere, and it's been happening for years. Companies know that most shoppers are focused on the price tag, not the fine print or the net weight. Imagine your favorite cookies. Maybe you remember getting 24 in a pack for $5. Now, only 20 cookies, but the price hasn't budged. It feels like you're buying the same treat, but you're actually getting less for your money. That's a 17% loss, and it's not just cookies. This quiet shrinkage is happening across the entire grocery store, from snacks to staples. Companies know you'll notice a price hike, but not a few missing cookies or ounces. They're counting on you to overlook the details while you shop. Potato chips? The bag looks the same size as always, but it's pumped with air. Less product, more slack fill. You open it, and half the bag is empty space. Cheese blocks, ice cream tubs, even peanut butter jars. Smaller net weights, same packaging. The containers look identical, but the contents keep shrinking. Sometimes, they add a dimple to the jar or redesign the container to hide the loss. The shape changes just enough to fool your eyes, but not your wallet. Most of us don't check net weight every time. We trust the brand and the price. We're in a hurry, and we assume we're getting what we always have. But in 2026, that trust is being used against you. Brands are banking on your loyalty and your habits. Next time you shop, compare the weight to what you remember. Take a closer look at the label, and you'll be surprised at how much has changed. These tiny reductions add up over time, and you're getting less for your money with every trip to the store. It's a slow, sneaky drain on your wallet. It's a psychological game, and right now, they're winning. Marketers are experts at making you feel like nothing has changed. The familiar package and price are just a disguise. The real change is hidden in the details you rarely notice. Don't let them fool you. Check the details. Take a moment to read the fine print and compare net weights. This is just the first layer of the deception. There's much more going on behind the scenes. Let's dig deeper. Packages aren't just shrinking. There's a bigger story happening behind the scenes. What's inside is changing too, and not always for the better. Companies are quietly swapping out quality ingredients for cheaper fillers and additives, all to save a few extra cents. Take ice cream, for example. That frozen dairy dessert in your freezer? It's now made with palm oil and gums instead of real cream, changing the flavor and texture you remember. Your beef burger might look the same, but now it's beef mixed with soy protein concentrate, stretching the meat further but diluting the taste. Even chocolate bars aren't safe. Cocoa butter is swapped for cheaper vegetable fats, leaving them waxy, bland, and less satisfying. Bread, a staple food, now often contains cellulose, yes, that's wood pulp, added as a filler to bulk up the loaf. These ingredient swaps are subtle, but they quietly change the taste, texture, and even the nutrition of your favorite foods. If you've ever wondered why your favorite snack tastes different, it's not your imagination. It's the recipe that's changed, not you. Real honey is often replaced with corn syrup, and real vanilla is swapped for artificial flavoring, all to cut costs. The packaging might look identical, but what's inside is often a cheap imitation of the original. Always check the ingredient list. If you spot new fillers or unfamiliar names, you're probably not getting what you paid for. Companies are rewriting recipes to boost profits, not to improve your eating experience or health. Don't let them dilute your food. Become an ingredient detective. Read labels, ask questions, and know what you're really eating. In 2026, what's inside your food matters more than ever, so make every bite count. Sometimes the product looks the same, but it feels different. Thinner, lighter, weaker. You might not notice at first glance, but pick it up, and the difference is clear. Potato chips are sliced thinner, so you get more crumbs and less crunch. The satisfying bite is replaced by a fragile crisp that falls apart in your hands. Chocolate bars are flatter, with more air pockets, less chocolate per bite. What used to be a rich treat now feels a bit hollow, both literally and figuratively. Deli meats are sliced so thin you need double for a decent sandwich. You end up using more just to get the same flavor and texture you remember. Paper towels and toilet paper, thinner sheets, same roll size, but you use more. The roll looks the same, but it runs out faster than ever before. Cheese slices are nearly see-through, same count, less cheese. You can almost read through them, and your sandwich just isn't as satisfying. These changes are hard to spot unless you compare side by side. Only then do you realize how much has been taken away. Each product is just a little less substantial, but it adds up. Over time, you're getting less for your money, even if the price tag stays the same. You're paying the same for a lighter, flimsier product. The cost per ounce quietly increases, and your wallet feels the difference. It's a death by 1,000 paper-thin cuts. Each small change chips away at the value you expect. Trust your senses. If it feels lighter or flimsier, it probably is. Don't ignore that gut feeling when something seems off. Companies are shaving off value in ways you barely notice. Don't settle for less. Be aware and make your choices count. Pay attention to the weight and feel. Sometimes the only way to spot the difference is to trust your own hands. Your value is slipping away, one thin slice at a time. Stay alert, and don't let these subtle changes go unnoticed. Even when size and ingredients seem the same, nutrition is being stolen. Protein bars now have less protein, more sugar, same look, less benefit. Cereal switches from whole grains to refined fillers, cutting fiber. Greek yogurt uses thickeners instead of real protein. Orange juice with excellent calcium now has less than before. The front of the package still boasts health claims, but the nutrition facts tell a different story. Companies legally keep the same claims, even as nutrition drops. You're trying to eat healthy, but you're getting less of what you need. This undermines your health goals and trust. Always check the nutrition panel, not just the marketing. Compare protein, fiber, and vitamins to what you remember. Don't let flashy claims fool you. Read the numbers. The real story is on the back of the box. Be a label hawk. Protect your health and your wallet. When companies take out the good stuff, they fill the gap with cheap additives. Burgers get more starch and maltodextrin, less real meat. Sauces and dressings use water and gums for fake creaminess. Muffins and bread are bulked up with powdered cellulose and starches. You're paying for engineered fluff, not real food. To cover up blandness, they add artificial flavors instead of real ingredients. Salsa is thickened with cornstarch, not tomatoes. These fillers can even cause digestive issues for some people. If the ingredient list is long and full of unpronounceable words, beware. Short, simple ingredient lists mean real food. In 2026, the more basic the list, the better. Don't pay for science experiments. Choose products with ingredients you recognize. Here's a sneaky move, shrinking the serving size, not the package. Mac and cheese boxes go from 3 servings to 2.5, same box, same price. Family-sized chicken nuggets lose a whole serving, but the bag looks identical. Coffee cans drop from 90 to 80 cups, but the can is the same size. Yogurt multi-packs have smaller cups, but the same count. You're getting less per serving, but it's almost invisible. The only clue? The servings per container line on the nutrition label. Most people never check it. The real value is hidden in the unit price. Price per ounce or pound. That's your secret weapon against disappearing servings. Ignore the box price. Check the unit price on the shelf tag. It's the most honest number in the store. Don't let serving size tricks fool you. Make unit price your new best friend. Get what you pay for every time. Companies now use eco-friendly packaging as cover for giving you less. They shrink bottles and boxes, claim it's for the planet, but keep prices the same. Sports drinks drop from 32 to 28 ounces. Same price, less product for the environment. Crackers switch to smaller recyclable bags with fewer crackers inside. Water bottles, candy bags, lighter, flimsier, and holding less. They profit from your desire to be green, but you pay more for less. If they were truly passing on savings, prices would drop, but they don't. Always check net weight when you see eco-friendly claims. Celebrate sustainability, but demand fair value. Don't let greenwashing disguise shrinkflation. Compare new and old sizes before you buy. Support real environmental responsibility, not just clever marketing. Be a critical environmentalist. Get the value you deserve. Grocery shopping in 2026 is full of tricks. Shrinkflation, ingredient swaps, disappearing servings, and eco-excuses. But now you know what to look for. Read labels, check unit prices, and trust your instincts. Vote with your wallet for brands that are honest. Share your experiences in the comments. Let's expose these tricks together. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.